Morning everyone, Mr. Allen here for our Golden Ticket Assembly. It is Friday the 13th of January 2023 and we're to celebrate all those children who've been amazing in years 3, 4, 5 and 6 who've earned themselves a golden ticket this week. And the theme throughout this week is about kindness and being kind, and you'll hear lots of that in lots of the descriptions of these children who have been amazing. So we'll start this morning in year 3, and in year 3 Miss Marshall says this child is kind, there it is, polite, patient and an amazing friend. Every time I see them, they are following instructions. This child is also great at checking they've understood the work. They really are. Our golden ticket goes to none other than, in you come, Noah. Look at that beautiful smile. Noah, well done, buddy. You are amazing, really amazing. Thank you for being so kind. Thank you for working so hard. Enjoy taking this home today, you superstar. Well done. Really proud of you. On to Mrs. Cook and Mr. Robertson. This child works so hard in class. They're well organised and have become much better at reading at home, at least 5 times a week. Each piece of work shows thought and care with much improved presentation. They are kind, there it is again, thoughtful and a good friend to others. They really are. Our golden ticket goes to, come on in, Mason. There he is, look at that. Well done, Mason. Yes, buddy, you've won the golden ticket. Keep up. Keep working as hard as you possibly can. Concentrate on that presentation, and thank you for being the amazing, kind boy that you are. Enjoy taking this home. You superstar. Well done. On to year 4, and Miss White says this person does everything they need to do to win a golden ticket. They arrive at school on time, get started straight away, and always try their best. They have a wonderful attitude and a great friend to others. They are a great friend. We love seeing how hard they're working and the progress they are making, particularly in their reading. It is fabulous. They're very artistic and we have been especially impressed with their work in art this term. So have I. Golden ticket goes to, come on in, it's Gabia. Look at Gabia, look at that beautiful smile. Well done, Gabia. You superstar, look, amazing, amazing. Look at you concentrating so hard. Really well done. I'm loving your coil pot as well, so really well done. Enjoy taking this home, you superstar. And thank you for just keep working so hard. Keep it up and keep the reading going as well. Well done. On to Miss Barrett. Miss Barrett said this child has been absolutely brilliant recently. They always read much more than 5 times a week, and they've started to develop a real love for reading. They listen carefully in lessons, always present everything beautifully, and they work well as part of a team as well. They really have. They love to share stories about what they've been up to at home and about funny things that have happened, which always brightens my day, does it? Just makes me smile as well. Really. And they've appeared on the Wow Wall as well, on my Proud Wall as well. So, golden ticket goes to, come on, in she comes, Leah. There she is. Look at that, look. Working so hard. Beautiful maths work. Look at that smile. Yes, you should be smiling. I know Ollie will be really, really proud of you. So well done there. So proud of you. Enjoy taking this home. Keep being amazing. Keep reading lots. Well done. Really proud of you. On to year 5. Miss Musselwhite says, my golden ticket this week goes to someone who's impressed me since the start of year 5. They clearly want to do well in everything they do and are willing to put the hard work in to achieve it. Their bubbly nature has a positive effect on everyone, and they're kind and thoughtful. There it is again, kind. Kindness throughout. But this child is kind all the time. Eager to please, they always put 100% into both their own learning at school and at home, but also to their peers' learning when they can and helping them out. They are a superstar. They really are. Golden ticket goes to, and she comes. Come on, Heather Rose. There she is. Look. Beautiful smiling. Well done. So proud of you. Thank you for being so kind. Thank you for being so thoughtful. And thank you for working so hard in year 5, you superstar. Enjoy taking this home. I know everyone's going to give you a massive cheer as well. So really well done. On to Miss Atherton said, this week our golden ticket goes to someone that never fails to impress us with their commitment to their learning, not just in class, but at home too. They can always be relied upon to participate in class discussions and will always ask questions to help them develop their understanding. This child has grown in confidence and this shows in the progress they are making. You should be very proud of yourself. You really should, because I am as well. Golden ticket goes to Tyler. Here he is. Well done, Tyler. Yes, you've won the golden ticket because you are amazing. Keep believing in yourself. Keep telling yourself you are amazing. We will keep telling you because you really are. Well deserved. I know your brother's going to be proud of you as well, so well done. On to year 6. And Mr. Davison says the golden ticket 6RT goes to a child who has consistently shown they understand the expectation of a year 6 pupil at Marcross Primary School. No matter the task, they apply a motivated, persevering approach and absorb feedback in a positive manner. They really do. Consequently, everything they've produced this week and every week has been excellent. It really has. They're kind-hearted, conscientious, and absolute role model for their peers. Again, kind. Congratulations to this outstanding young lady. Indeed, our golden ticket goes to none other than Gemma. There she is. Well done, Gemma. A beautiful photo as well. You absolute superstar. I'm so proud of you. Thank you for being so amazing. Again, you've won the golden ticket. I know your brother's going to be proud of you as well. So enjoy taking this home today, superstar. Well done. Finally, this morning, Miss Percy said our golden ticket 6JP this week is awarded to someone who continues to impress staff across the year group with their excellent attitude to all aspects of school. But that's not across the year group as well, it's across the school as well. So really well done. This child clearly wants to excel in all that they do and puts maximum effort into all lessons. Even when faced with challenging tasks, they're always engaged, offering thoughtful contribution discussions, and above all, they are kind, look at there, and polite to both adults and peers. This person is a great asset to both our year group and the school and should be really proud of themselves. A huge well done. I am really proud to have them in Marlcross Primary School. Goes to golden ticket, none other than Dale. There he is. Well done, Dale. Thank you for being so amazing. What a brilliant start you have had to Marlcross Primary School. So proud of you. Enjoy taking your golden. It's really well deserved. Enjoy taking it. I know everyone's going to be giving you a massive cheer as well. So really well done. Well done to all those winners. And this weekend, look, here it is. Look, be kind to everyone. Look, damn it, kindness costs nothing. It's free. And also, tell someone how lovely they are. Because by doing that, honestly, it just makes people's day. So just tell them, pass that on and tell them, be kind, it costs nothing. Just tell someone how lovely they are. Because it's really lovely. So let's really try and do that this weekend. Till next week, everyone, have a lovely weekend, and we'll see you then. Bye-bye now.